Electric motors power a wide range of industrial equipment. Electric systems are usually more compact and versatile, easier and cheaper to operate and maintain. They have a low ecological footprint and allow for higher energy efficiency. Motor control systems are critical to the performance and protection of industrial equipment. Devices like sensors, drives, and PLCs can be used, but basic motor control technologies like switches, relays, and contactors are still commonly used. Skilled workers are required to install, commission, and troubleshoot common induction motor starters. To support vocational and technical education teachers and students, we created a new course aligned to professional skill requirements, along with training equipment for hands-on experimentation. I invite you to discover TP1221 Basic Motor Control Technology. You can watch our videos and visit our website, or feel free to reach out to us for more information.